going on, guys? It's March 4th, pretty sure Thursday, but yeah, I'm running out to go meet with Zach and hopefully get some things going here that we're thinking about doing. So yeah, I will. That's about it. We're at Cordova's bathroom, and we're gonna give a quick bathroom rating. It's all right. The water pressure is really aggressive. Like blowing my hands off. Paper towels are a good one. The blow dryers suck. I hate those. But overall, Cordova's bathroom, pretty good. Headed home now. And I'm probably gonna wash my truck. Even though I just washed it the other day, but I'm probably gonna wash it again. Wake up! At home now. About to wash my truck. Yeah. Let's do that. We're in Hibachi's bathroom. A little dirty. The mirror, especially. Water pressure. Very good. Overall, a little dirty, but pretty good. Sometimes I just come in here and look at this thing and think, hello people, it is March 9th, and I got the FMF pipe for my bike finally since October, so I'm going to put that on there. But first I want to show y'all what it sounds like before I put it on. So here's the bike before the new exhaust. This is what she sounds like before the new exhaust. And now we're going to do some disassembling, so to get ready for the new parts. So that was the breakdown of taking the exhaust off and the header off. And I do have the exhaust pipe, but I don't have the header yet, unfortunately. So when we get that in, we will put it back all together and have a new sounding bike, hopefully. Hopefully it sounds meaner and more powerful, but I guess that's for you guys to decide, and me, but I can get a preference from you guys. But hope you all enjoyed the breakdown. So look forward to putting it back together.